In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Bluehost domain to Shopify for the year 2025. If you're looking to bridge your own domain with your Shopify store, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it and make this process as smooth and easy as possible. To begin this setup, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Shopify account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your Shopify store. From this page, we'll start making our way through Shopify's settings. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the page for the Settings button. It can be easy to miss amidst all the other options, so take a moment to find and click on it. The Settings area is where you'll handle everything related to managing your store, including domain connections. After entering the Settings area, go ahead and click on the Domains section. The Domains page is your hub for all domain-related actions, whether you're purchasing a new domain directly through Shopify or connecting an existing one, like we're about to do. Once you're on the Domains page, look for the option that says Connect Existing Domain. This is the key step where you choose to link a domain you already own, rather than setting up a new one. When you click on this option, Shopify will prompt you to enter the domain name you wish to connect. Now it's time to enter your Bluehost domain. Ensure you type the domain name correctly and then hit Next. This prompts Shopify to proceed with checking the domain's current setup and start the connection process. Before finalizing the connection, it's worth double-checking that your DNS settings on Bluehost are correctly configured to point to Shopify. Typically, this involves setting up an A record to point to Shopify's IP address and a CNAME record to point to shops.myshopify.com. However, since DNS settings might feel a bit tricky, you can refer to the Bluehost support or find Shopify's documentation if you're needing more details. Once you've ensured that all DNS settings are accurate, go back to Shopify and complete the final steps as prompted. Shopify might take a bit of time to verify these settings. When it's done, your domain will be connected successfully to your Shopify store. And there you have it. With these steps, your Bluehost domain should be linked seamlessly to your Shopify store, ready for you to use. If your domain takes a little while to start working, don't worry. It can sometimes take a bit for DNS changes to propagate. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling on your Shopify store.